conversation on Facebook and Twitter with Good Day Dakota.
Well, it's 5:41. Welcome back. With 17 named storms so far this hurricane season, 2020 has been a busy year for the tropics.
Yeah, new this morning, meteorologist Amber Wheeler breaks this season down by the numbers in this week's Weather-Wise. Hi, Amber.
Well, you know, Josh and Alicia, we are closing in on the peak of the hurricane season, which happens to be around September 10th. And so you can see on this graphic that we still have a ways to go. Here's where we're at right now. And so the second half is typically, historically, a little busier than the first half. Right now, we've got the tropics that are understandably a little busy. We have two named systems. So we've got Tropical Storm Paulette right now forecast to slowly move to the west. And we also have Tropical Depression Renee. Neither of these at this point pose a threat to the United States. Of course, they're being monitored. We've already seen 17 named storms this season, many of these breaking records in terms of how early they formed. Now, this list of hurricane names is generated by the World Meteorological Organization. And you'll notice that there are never any Q, U, X, Y, or Z names for the Atlantic. And that's because it's difficult to generate names that start with those letters year after year. It's that simple. Now, we're about halfway through the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season, and we only have 4 names left on this list. After that, we start going into the Greek alphabet. Now, the last time that we used the Greek alphabet, that was for storms in 2005. After Hurricane Wilma, and we exhausted the list, we had Tropical Storm Alpha. We used several of these names until we got to Tropical Storm Zeta. And you may remember that year because that was the same year that we had Hurricane Katrina, which killed almost 2,000 people along the Gulf. Now, it was that year that we had 5 retired names. They get retired when they hit the coast and they're particularly destructive. So this is the NOAA's hurricane prediction for the year. They've predicted 19 to 25 named storms, but anywhere between 7 and 11 hurricanes. The record was 15. That was set back in 2005. And before that, the next year with the most hurricanes, what was in 1969 with 12. We've already seen 4 this year, actually 5 this year. And so you can see here the frequency of hurricanes has been going up in the last few decades, really. And, you know, I grew up on the coast. I grew up in North Carolina, and we had Hurricane Fran when I was a kid. And so, Josh and Alicia, I certainly know the impacts that these can have. I know millions are cleaning up from Hurricane Laura as we speak. So again, something not to get lost on is the numbers. You should really know that this has a huge human impact. All these numbers here mean something to a lot of millions of people.
Oh, absolutely. And it's so very interesting. I mean, I can't even, there's no words to describe it, really.
And in Laura's case, it almost eroded the coastline. It was so powerful.
There's been a lot of that. I mean, growing up in North Carolina, the Outer Banks are formed because of hurricanes.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, I can give you tons of historical data along the coast and what hurricanes have done. So it's something to know. It's something to keep an eye on.
All right. Thanks, Amber. Now let's check out our National Day calendar.
Yeah, and today we celebrate the softer side of